In Michigan, the MRA released some common business operations questions. The MRA released a common business operations questions bulletin, and here are some of the highlights. Regarding business operations questions regarding potency. What does the potency listed on the label mean? Potency means the concentration of the active ingredient in a product, typically delta-9 THC and CBD. And then another question in this section, can the potency of products purchased be different than what the label states? The answer is the actual concentration of THC and CBD can vary from the reported value by 10%. This is the normal variance allowable in products and is sometimes regarded as the margin of error for test results. Moving on to business operations questions relating to labeling. What does the MRA consider to be false or misleading labels? The answer: assertions or statements on a marijuana product includes any information on the product, packaging, and/or tags or stickers affixed to the product. So this also means that there cannot be contradictory information listed on marijuana products. This would be in violation of administrative rules. Producers who use pre-made packaging provided by a brand whose products they should be especially careful to ensure that information on the pre-made packaging does not contradict any information the producer then affixes to the package after production. Moving on to questions related to metric. As a licensee, is it compliant for me to use all the functions I see in metric? The answer: metric is a nationwide program that is being used by the state of Michigan and contains functionality and information that may not be compliant with the Michigan statutes and rules. Existence of a metric function does not authorize its use and may result in disciplinary proceedings. One last question, also regarding metric. As a licensee, am I responsible if something goes wrong with my third-party integrator, point of sale system? If a licensee chooses to use a third-party integrator point of sale system, it is the licensee's responsibility to ensure that data from the point of sale is reflected accurately in metric. A licensee should ensure that its point of sale is communicating with metric and data is transferred appropriately. Under the statutes and administrative rules, the accuracy of data in metric is required, not the accuracy of the data from the point of sale. The licensee is responsible for ensuring the data in metric is accurate.